Taiwan's legislature yesterday passed a law setting out the terms of the school curriculum review process. One change is that 3/4 of the committee charged with approving curriculum changes will now be comprised of non-governmental representatives, including a mandatory number of student representatives. The KMT criticized the changes as subordinating education policy to politics.
The legislature yesterday passed an amendment to the Senior High School Education Act, which upgraded the Textbook Review Committee from a part of the Education Ministry to a cabinet-level organization. Members of the KMT and DPP clashed over the changes.
On a basic level, we support taking the procedures currently in effect and codifying them in law. But raising the Textbook Review Committee up to the level of the Premier, we're of course very worried that political concerns could take over our education system. The Cabinet will review and approve the legislature's nominations of non-governmental members to the Textbook Review Committee, but the curriculum itself will still be decided by the Education Ministry.
The amendment means that for the first time, law will require that part of the committee be made up of students, a change which drew polarized reactions from onlookers.
People who are saying that we're going to ask elementary and middle school students to stand on the committee which reviews their curricula are totally overstating the situation. Student representatives will not necessarily be high school students, and of course they won't be middle or elementary school students.
The new committee for reviewing textbook curricula will be made up of between 41 and 49 members, with governmental representatives forming 1/4 of the total members. The other 3/4 of the committee will be made up of non-governmental representatives.